Here's a shocking truth. By the time many people hit 60, they are already losing teeth, and often they don't even notice it until it's too late. Loose gums, small cavities, and weakened teeth might seem minor at first, but over the years, these hidden problems can cost hundreds of thousands of dollars in dental implants, crowns, and procedures. And the scariest part? Regular brushing and flossing alone often isn't enough to stop it. But here's the good news. There's a simple, natural habit you can do every morning that protects your teeth, strengthens your gums, and may let you keep your natural teeth well into your 90s. It's called oil pulling, an ancient technique that's been used for centuries for strong, healthy teeth. So how does it work, and why is it so effective? Step 1. Choose the right oil. Coconut oil is the most popular because it tastes pleasant and has natural antibacterial properties. Sesame oil or sunflower oil work too. These oils bind to harmful bacteria and plaque in your mouth, stuff that brushing alone can't reach. Step 2. Measure and swish. Take about 1 tablespoon of your chosen oil and place it in your mouth before eating or drinking anything in the morning. Swish it gently, pulling it between your teeth and along your gums for 10-15 minutes. This isn't about gargling. It's about letting the oil pull toxins out of your mouth. The swishing action loosens bacteria and plaque, reducing inflammation and protecting your gums. After 10-15 minutes, spit the oil into a trash can, not the sink because it can clog pipes. Rinse your mouth thoroughly with warm water or brush lightly afterward to remove any residue. Oil pulling doesn't just clean the surface of your teeth. It reaches bacteria hiding in your gums, between teeth, and along the tongue, the places your toothbrush can't touch. By removing these bacteria, oil pulling helps prevent cavities, gum disease, and even bad breath. Over time, your teeth become firmer, your gums healthier, and your risk of losing teeth drops significantly. People who make oil pulling a daily habit notice fresher breath, stronger teeth, and healthier gums within weeks. But the real payoff is long-term. Fewer dental problems, fewer trips to the dentist, and thousands of dollars saved. It's a small investment of 10-15 minutes that pays off for decades. Imagine this. While others are spending tens of thousands on implants and crowns, you're keeping your natural teeth safe, just by swishing oil every morning. So don't scroll past this. Tomorrow morning, take a spoonful of oil, swish for 10-15 minutes, and spit. Your future teeth and your wallet will thank you. Oil pulling is simple, natural, and surprisingly powerful. Don't wait until it's too late. Start tomorrow and keep your teeth strong for life.